cliff, gotta take a trip. Slow ride when I'm off the shit. Buckle in, kid, lullaby.
What's up, Jack Nation? It's a beautiful Sunday morning out here in old Fort Leonard Wood, Missouri. I say that without a whole lot of enthusiasm. But hey, this morning, a buddy of mine is squaring me away with some spacers for Sasha to give her a wider stance. All right, so we're gonna try to hook her up and let her know what's good, and we'll see what we do from there.
What's going on?
So y'all stay tuned, and then I'll keep y'all posted. All right, let's get hot. All right, so these are the spacers that we're gonna put on right here. Are these gonna be long enough? The studs? Yep.
When it comes to my respect, eye for an eye, blah blah blah, what it was. The things we reach the end, don't pretend like it was. This for niggas who back in 02 taught me how to shoot. Up and feel my bitch, the root, I bring it back the fork like I lit one. Gotta take this L, then I exhale. Fire from that golden long, watch my scripture take shape. Cause you never crack, ancestors lack wisdom from the past, so you never last. Slowing up, pursuing ass, I'm clocking fast, having bags, vacate with the friends and family.
Alright, so we got the wheels off. We're going to start off in the rear, and if we're lucky, we might knock out this rear diff at the same time.
Just like that. Oh, it's easy, bro. There you go.
From my house, 2 turns. That's the turn to come out my neighborhood.
Yeah.
And the turn to go in yours.
There you go. Yep.
When it comes to my respect, eye for an eye, blah blah blah, what it was. The things we reach the end, don't pretend like it was. Nose down, stepping off the cliff, gotta take a trip. Slow ride when I'm off the shit. Buckle in, kid, lullaby, soothing you with risk. Vocals angelic. Now is the end. Live your story for you tell it. She and I made to walk and walk till our time is up. Unified surface of the sun, you can feel the burn coming up. Be the life. This is what we learn. It's how we learn the knowledge that we earn. Do or die, ain't no spies left around to check me. Fuck boys, been in corners, always trying to sweat me. I separate your soul from your shell if you let me, but you can save your soul from yourself if you left me. Plead the fifth, your innocence has been irrelevant. Speak with elegance, so prevalent.
Alright, so we're at a little hiccup. The studs on the spacer are preventing the rim to sit flush on the rotor. So we're gonna take up the spacer and cut those studs a little shorter, and then we're going to put this bad boy back on. So hang tight.
Oh man, I could have recorded you. I'll record you on here.
Okay. Do you want to Hey, y'all don't need to tell me, man. I know I need new rims. I understand that. But this is gonna be the last thing I put on this thing because I am gonna wide body it slowly. So. Hey, so that'll do it for today. It took a little longer than expected, but it is what it is. It's nothing perfect. If it was, then I'd be driving Ferrari or GTR. So, but until the next time, Jag family, stay up. Hey, don't forget, if you enjoyed the video, go ahead, hit that little notification bell right there where it says subscribe. It's right there or here, one of them. You'll see it. Hit it, little bell pops up. Hit that notification bell so that way you get every time I post a new video, you automatically get notified. Hit me a like and go ahead and continue to follow me. Share it, us, share the world. All right, stay up.
Trying to sweat me. I separate your soul from your shell if you let me, but you can save your soul.